Niggas and bitches be out shopping for attention, but all that flexing and faking gon' get you hit with extensions. I live a rough life, grew up fast, still trying to escape my past, but these demons right behind me catching up to my black ass. Having nightmares with 2 pistols and all black with a black mask. Every time before I wake up, I'm getting zipped up in a body bag. All I got is one life, a few guns and one mic, one son to carry on my name and one shot to get in this game. I'm fucked up, my luck's up, don't say trust, ain't no such. Tired of stressing, seem like ain't made no progression. I'm in need of a few blessings, ain't no one listening. It's always something, sometimes some shit I can't stomach.
Everybody wanna speak to me, but I ain't got shit to talk about. Niggas tryna beef with me, I swear I'm finna chalk them out. Snakes show they teeth to me, the fuck you bitches smiling about. Searching the streets for me, but I ain't got shit to hide about. What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about?
What's all that shit about?
What's all that shit about?
Got enough problems and it's making me sick. I learned my lesson about showing love, cause niggas would trip. You ain't a part of my circle, then get to step and kick bricks. I'm breaking bread with myself, the only way I get rich. Yo, holla at me, Don, I need to borrow your Glock. The feds done took all my pistols, somebody's pimping me pop. I talk to God every night, but he ain't hearing me well, and need a blessings from heavens to help me get through this hell. Chase a buck every night, my bitch ain't fucking me right, and Cali wife was cut short, cause she ain't suck on it right. Been off of the hatred, stone drunk off revenge. If I don't get my shit together, I'll end up in the pen. Bottle secrets and sin, tequila shots mixed with gin, a quarter ounce of that loud to beat the pad in the pen. Fuck leaving out, my nigga, I'm going in tune with the breeze. Now I'm starting to flow with the wind. I got enough homies blood could trying to be a friend to me. Family, they despise me, acting like they not a kin to me. Act like I'm an enemy, Satan trying to finish me. Death is the remedy, I bet they gon' remember me. That's what all that shit about. That's what all that shit about. If you ain't tuned in, blood, then you missing out. No diggy doubt, that's what all that shit about.
Everybody wanna speak to me, but I ain't got shit to talk about. Niggas tryna beef with me, I swear I'm finna chalk them out. Snakes show they teeth to me, the fuck you bitches smiling about. Searching the streets for me, but I ain't got shit to hide about. What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about?
All my partners trip dub, smoke hella loud and get drunk. Put it down for the queen, let the chopper ring, do the damn thing and wouldn't give 3 fucks. What? Homie, I'm a beast, bang for the west, but rep for the east. Collecting the checks from the breath that I speak, nothing less than the best, but the rest is weak. What's all that shit about? Homie, just spit it out, cause you don't wanna have them goons running up in your house. Chain gang, we put it down, you just figured it out. We riding on you niggas, that's what all that shit's about. What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about? What's all that shit about?